Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, I'm teacher Ekwemesi, and today we are talking about square and square root of numbers, basically on the level of basic 4 pupils. But if you are in primary school, that is maybe from primary 3, 4, 5 and 6, you are quite welcome because you are going to meet this in one way or the other in your curriculum as you pass through your learning. Okay, so we are going to start with square. First of all, what is square of a number? The square of a number is the result of multiplying the number by itself. Alright? So, when you multiply a number by itself, whatever result it gives you is the square of that number. Square means times 2. Examples. The square of 5 is 5 times 5. Like 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4, 20, then 5 times 5, 25. And that's it. It equals 25. So 25 is the square of 5. Are you getting it? Then in another way, we can say that the square of a number is the number raised to power 2. Raised to power 2. Example, the square of 4 is 4 raised to power 2. 4 raised to power 2. You write the main digits. The main digits bolder. Then the power should be written in a smaller form so you won't mix it up while multiplying or working it out. That's how to write it. And this you are looking at means is equals to 4 times 4. That's 4 into 2 places, which will give you 16. Like 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. You see, in learning mathematics and quantitative, it's advisable that you also learn your table of times and have it off heart, because it will help you in faster solving of your mathematics or quantitative, in fact any calculative subject. Okay, so that's it. Then we have more examples there. Find the square of 7. Find the square of 7. So we are going to find the square of 7 now. Square of 7, let's take it as number 1. Solutions. Square of 7 is equals to 7 raised to power 2, which is equals to 7 times 7, which will give you 49. To give you 49, you can check your table of times and you see that it's 49. Okay, then number 2, square of 9 means 9 raised to power 2, which is equals to 9 times 9, which is equals to 81. I know my table of times, right? You too can know it, so just learn it and put it into practice and you get it, you have it off heart. Okay, then number 3, the square of 10 is equals to 10 raised to power 2, which is equals to 10 times 10, right? So this is a 2-digit number, right? So if you can't multiply outright, you can work it out like this: 10 times 10. 0 times 0 will give you 0. 0 times 1 will give you 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Even if it is 2,000 million times 0, it is 0. Okay, then you go to the second digit. 1 times 0 will give you 0. You see, I started writing the result of this one under the digit column. That is tens place value. This is unit. So when you're multiplying with a number that is under unit column, you start writing the result from the unit column backwards. But when you're multiplying with a number under the tens column, you start writing the results under the tens column backwards to not forward. Okay, so 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 will give you 1. Then you put your plus sign, your addition sign, then add. You bring down 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Bring down 1. So therefore, the square of 10 is 100. Understood? Yeah. Okay. So we go to the last one, which is number 4. That's square of 6. That's 6, which is 6 raised to power 2, which will give you 6 times 6, and that is 36. I hope you understood it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the class. So in our next class, we are going to talk about square roots of numbers. It's a different ball game, but I promise you are going to enjoy it. You are going to enjoy it. See you there.